you ever scroll through your feed and see someone living the life you want? The freedom, the business, the money, and for a second you wonder, why not me? Let me tell you something you need to hear today, and it might sting a little. It's not that they're smarter or luckier, they just stopped waiting. They started doing. You want to travel the world. Stop waiting for the right time and start booking those flights. You want to start a business? Stop waiting for the perfect idea and start learning the skills. You want to make more money? Stop waiting for your boss to give you a raise and start investing in yourself. The truth is, life isn't going to give you what you want. You have to go out and take it. So stop waiting and start living. Stop waiting and start hustling, because the people who stop waiting and start doing are the ones who get to live life their way. Are you going to be one of them? Here's the truth no one tells you. Your 20s won't be easy. Pressure to make it early is real. Social media screams overnight success, but behind the scenes, people are failing, struggling, and doubting, and honestly, you probably feel stuck or behind. And that's okay. I quit my job at 23 thinking I'd be free. I dreamed of building a business from my bedroom, making my first $10,000 and living life on my terms. But here's what no one talks about. I failed hard. Lost $2,000 in 3 months. I questioned everything. Don't be afraid to fall, because I was once like you. That failure felt like the end, but it wasn't. It was the beginning. I learned more in those tough months than any course or book could teach. Discipline, patience, and how to build something real. If I had listened to motivational advice alone, I'd still be stuck dreaming. You don't need a Lambo or a fancy office. What you really need is discipline. Discipline to show up every day, even when motivation fades. Discipline to fail and get back up. Success isn't glamorous. It's boring. It's consistent effort when no one's watching. Your mindset will make or break you. Reprogram your brain for wealth by stopping the lies you tell yourself. I need to be lucky. I'm not smart enough. I'll start when the timing is perfect. Truth, the perfect time doesn't exist. You build it by starting imperfectly. So what can you do today? Stop consuming endless content. Start creating your own. Set one small business goal and chase it relentlessly. Embrace failure as your teacher, not your enemy. Build discipline over motivation. Make showing up your non-negotiable. Own your dreams or watch someone else live them. If you feel behind, remember this. You're not late. You're early to your future. Every successful entrepreneur was once exactly where you are. Confused, scared, doubting. The difference is they acted anyway. So here's your challenge. Stop waiting for permission or motivation. Stop scrolling for inspiration. Start doing right now. No more excuses, no more delays. Own your success story. If you want more real, no-fluff business advice that gets straight to the point, subscribe to the Business Vault. Here we don't just talk, we deliver short lessons you can use today to build your future. Stay inspired, stay curious,